everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chana. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I got the Essie advent calendar and I really want to do an unboxing on it, even though it's like October. But yeah, I'm super curious about what's in there. So if you want to see what's in there, then just keep watching. So this is what it looks like. I know it's huge. It looks so cute. I think the packaging is super classy, like they're white with the Essie logo on it, and it just says like advent calendar. And yeah, I will be unboxing this now. Okay, so let's open this. How do we open it? Ah, okay, you open it like this. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I will be opening the first door now. And where are you? Oh, it's right here. So open it now. Ooh, it's a silver shade. See that one right here? This is not handy at all. How do I open it? Oh, I get it out of the package. Oh my gosh.
Why don't this not work?
Okay, so this is the first shade. It's called Après Chic and it's silver. Now for the second door, and I hope that I can get this nail polish out of here easier. So this is the second one. Ooh, and this is like a tiny one, and it's like a dark brown kind of shade, and it is called Chocolate Cakes. Now for the third door, it's right here. As I said, it's not handy at all. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's an Essie bag. Oh, that's cute. For like traveling and stuff like that. It says slip into something more colorful. It has like a zip on it as well. Okay, that's pretty sweet. There was the third one. Now for the fourth, I'm going to open. Oh, this is 14. I'm sorry. This one is the fourth. And let's open this somehow. I am the worst at that. Oh, okay, so this is for like manicure and stuff like that. So yeah. And the fifth one is right here. And we do have a clear nail polish in here. It's just like a top coat, I guess. Oh yeah, okay, so it's a clarifying nail polish remover. I may try this one out today. So this was the sixth. And now for the seventh.
Where are you? Oh my gosh.
Oh, right there. It's the pink one right here. And I hope it's another like gorgeous nail color. And yes, it is such a beautiful shade. So me, oh my gosh. It's called With the Band. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think I'm going to put this on today. It's so beautiful. And next the eighth door, and it's right here. This time I found it way quicker. But I can't open it again. Oh, it's a white one. I hope it's blank. Is it blank? No, it's marshmallow. Oh, I had this one before. I didn't like it too much because it's like see-through, but I'm going to give it a try. And that was the eighth one, so I'm going to open the ninth door, and it's right here. Oh, this is sweet! Oh my gosh! Okay, yeah, this is sweet. And now we're going to the 10th door, and it's right here. Oh, this is a sweet shade. This one is called Cheers to You, and it's like a pale pastel kind of pink. Okay, so now we're going to the 11th door, which is right here. And it doesn't look like a nail polish. Ta-da! So here we go. It's the apricot cuticle oil. Oh, this is so cool. I needed one for like ages and I didn't buy one. So what this? It says a nourishing and softening cuticle hydrator. So I cannot wait to try this one out. I might even try this one out today as well. Number 12, we're coming for you. So, do we have it here? Is it like a white one again? It says CC for nails. Oh, okay, so this is kind of a base coat for your nails. This is cool. Oh, it also says mini color corrector for nails. So if you have like a yellowy nails from like putting on too much makeup, not makeup, oh my gosh, from putting too much like nail polish on your nails, I think this is going to color correct your nail. So that was number 12, number 13, oh it's right here. Yeah, it's a matte about you, so if you put this on a like glossy nail polish, it's going to turn out like that. I think now we're at 14. Yes. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful ouch. Nail polish, and it's like a dark pink kind of, and the shade Lieblingsmensch, but that's a German word, which basically means favorite person, or like favorite human. Yes, it means favorite human, I'm sorry. No, for number 15. Ooh, it's a black, I guess. Yes. Right. A bit of black. It says liqueurs, and yeah, it does look pretty black. And yours at this. Is this it? A million times already? I don't know what that is. I really don't know what this is. Is it like some Christmas stuff? Whoa. Yeah, I think it's for like a Christmas tree or something like that. Now for number 17. Oh, you guys. The shade is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. The packaging is the worst. This is like so exhausting for me. Okay, so this shade is called In Stitches, and I think this is one of my favorites. This is a beautiful metallic shade. Oh yes, I love this already. It's called Bohemia Cameo, and it's super sweet. Next we are at 19, and again it's a tiny one. Oh no, I think it's a keychain. It's so sweet. Is it? Oh no, it's a necklace. You guys, what is it? I don't know, but I think it's a necklace. Let's open this. Oh gosh, you guys, what is it? No, it's not a necklace. What? It's some kind of jewelry. Can I put this on my wrist? Is it like a wristband? I don't even know, but it looks tiny, but it also looks like so cute. Here. Is it a black one again? It just looks so dark. But I hope it's not a black one again, because I do have like a million black. No, it's not black. I have like a million black nail polishes and I don't really need that many of them. Yeah, it's a dark blue and it says on your mistletoes. Oh, this is so sweet. Next we got 21. Oh, it's one of the twisted ones. I don't have one of these yet, until now. They're so beautiful. This one is called Gala Vanding, and I really wanted one of these like twisted ones because the packaging just looks amazing. Next I'm opening 22 and it looks like one of these twisted ones are in this as well. Oh no, it's not. Disappointing. Okay, so this kind of thing for your nails to like cut them or like shape them. This was kind of disappointing, like no, right? Okay. So now we have 23. And okay, wow, this one is gorgeous. It's shimmery and it's glittery and it's literally me. So this one is called Congrats. And last but not least, I'm going to open the 24th door. And it's a twisted one again, but I don't think that it's a nail polish. Yeah, no, it's a top coat, but that's cool as well because it's twisted and that's cool. It says Platinum Great Finish. Okay, wow. I don't know what that means. Can I open this right now? Well, it's clear, but I'm so curious about how it's going to look on like the April nails. I'm done with the whole like advent calendar and I'm super happy with the things that I got out of it, and it's one of the prettiest advent calendars that I've ever owned, I guess. I always love like makeup related advent calendars, and yeah, this one was so good. Oh my gosh, I'm glad I opened it now and not like during the winter time because I couldn't resist like waiting or something like that. And I think if I'm going to pick one favorite, then I think it would be in Stitches, as I said earlier, because I don't know, I think the shade is the prettiest. But like all of them are super gorgeous and I'm super happy with the Essie nail polishes. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a huge thumbs up please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, I guess. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!